and welcome back to my channel. I am back at vlogging. I loved vlogging all throughout the Vlogmas, so I kind of wanted to bring it back. I just took a shower, my hair is wet. I used my Tangle teaser for the first time. It is amazing. Update, I am about to, oh my gosh, this thing is amazing. How does it even, wow. Best Christmas gift. I just made some soup, so I'm gonna have it for lunch. It looks really dark outside, but it's lunchtime. And then I have my other Christmas gift, which I need to take the tag off, on my lap. It is a hot water bottle and it's keeping me warm, and it's actually really soft to cuddle. So another Christmas gift going to great use. I'm just gonna eat my soup here. I just finished watching Oscar and Kira's proposal video, which is Okay Baby. I absolutely love them and I cried. It was amazing. Now I'm just in a sappy mood. I'm gonna have lunch and then I'm actually gonna get myself ready because I love using my days off of work for making videos. Something tragic happened in my closet, which I'll show you in a second. It fell. I'll show you once I'm done eating, but I need to kind of clean all of that up. And on the table, I have a puzzle that it's been a big distraction. I've wanted to get more done around here, but I decided to start a 1,000 piece puzzle and now it's taken over my life. I love doing puzzles and things like that around the holidays because it's just a great way to kind of just like relax, have an excuse to relax and pass the time. This is way too hot. This is what happened to my closet. So this rack obviously wasn't here. My brother brought it to me because he had it, and when I told him that my closet fell, he was like, well, you're gonna need something to hang your clothes on. So this is what happened to my closet. This broke and it's all connected and now on the floor. So I probably should pick this up so that my clothes don't get wrinkled. I started to put some things here, but it's just a big giant mess and it won't be fixed for the next week because my dad is on vacation. It kind of taught me how to be resilient and just bounce back, because when my closet first fell, I was pretty upset. Not because it's an inconvenience, but because I actually had some ideas to film like a closet organization. And so I was pretty bummed because now my closet's gonna be like this for the next week because my dad is on vacation and he's the one that installed it, so he's gonna be the one to fix it, which I'm really lucky that he can do that kind of stuff. So instead of being sad about it, I kind of just laughed and then walked away. And then I still haven't fixed it. I kind of did with this rack, but you kind of just have to laugh and get over it because there's nothing else that I can do. Like, it's on the floor, it's broken, so kind of just have to be resilient and get over it. Oh, and I moved my Christmas tree in here when I filmed what I got for Christmas. And look, watching vlogs while I finish eating. My soup was way too hot, so I just thought I would show you the closet on the floor while I wait for it to cool down because I'm really hungry. I hate hot things. I really like eating soup, but when it's too hot, I don't know what to do. Really good though. Has little meatballs in it. January 2nd and I am about to have an at-home workout. I'm still at my parents' house watching the dog while they're away on vacation, so I am using their like equipment in their basement. It's a pretty decent at-home gym and I don't do too much, but I started working out a couple weeks ago, so it's not like a starting from the new year type of resolution, but I did set the intention in December that I wanted to start working out more, so I have been, but I did write down my goals for 2019 and it does include working out. So it's January 2nd and I'm doing a workout. I thought I would show you kind of what I'm wearing. There's not a full-length mirror down here, but in the bathroom there's a mirror, so I'll show you. So I'm wearing this tank top that has like a built-in sports bra from Forever 21. I love this shirt and I want to get more workout tops like this because it's just so easy and it offers enough support for me. And I like working out in tank tops because I get really warm when I do cardio especially, and it offers me like full movement on my arms. On the bottom, it's kind of hard to show you, but I'm wearing charcoal gray leggings. They have this really cool design on the bottom. They are from Adidas, and then my shoes are from Adidas too. These are my Climacool black shoes. I love these so much. I'm pretty sure they're kids. Then they have the green on the bottom for a little pop of color. That was a very weird outfit of the day, but yeah, these are my leggings. I think they're really cool. I have finished my workout. It wasn't the best workout ever, but I'm slowly getting back into it, so I need to kind of take baby steps. But I'm proud of myself for even attempting. That was probably like a 30-minute workout. Now I'm gonna go take a shower, I'm gonna get ready, and I'm going out to the mall with Nikki. We're gonna hang out. I was working all afternoon at home. Did I say that already? I was working from home today. I called it quits at about 4, and then that's when I came down here to work out, and then now I'm getting ready to go out. I'm in the car and I just got back from the mall and I went with Nikki. We got some, or I got some new workout clothes because I want to start working out more, and Forever 21 had an amazing deal, so I will show you what I got. Now I'm just headed to Walmart really quickly. I want to get some grocery items because I'm going back like home downtown and there's no Walmart there, so I just wanted to get some things. And also I needed like random things like sponges and like rubber gloves for washing dishes and stuff like that. That is really important. I always wear gloves when washing dishes or else your nails get ruined. I also did my nails. This is Sprinkled with Love by Sally Hansen. It's a really pretty like icy blue color. Love it. Anyways, I'm heading into Walmart now. It is windy outside, can you tell? I'm really hungry and I treated myself to Tim Tams, which I used to really like these and I haven't had them in forever. And it's really good when you dip them into like a warm drink. So I put this here, can you see me? I'm too hungry to wait until I get home. You're not supposed to go grocery shopping when hungry. Broke that rule. Chocolate. This was the only junk food item I allowed myself to get. Other than that, I got a ton of fresh food, vegetables, things to make salads with, because we're eating extra healthy in 2019. I am back home now, and I'll show you what I got. So you already saw the Tim Tams, which, yes, I did a Tim Tam slam with my coffee. These cotton rounds that I really like, these are by the brand Equate from Walmart, premium cotton rounds. They're like quilted, so you don't get little fuzzies on your nails when you use them to remove nail polish. A multi-pack of peppers, trying to eat really healthy and get those vegetables in, and broccoli. I got cream cheese, even though I'm trying to eat less dairy. I got some olive oil, 2 packs of sponges, Scott Brite sponges, they were on sale. I got 2 things of laundry detergent. Again, it was on sale and I needed more laundry detergent. I got gloves for washing the dishes. I got a box of Honey Nut Cheerios. Again, these were on sale. Greens for salads. Carrots. These are a great snack to like munch on something when you're hungry. I usually buy the huge bag. For the last time that I bought them, I didn't finish them all, so got the small one. Then I got some baby clementines, bananas, which are already starting to turn brown because they were sitting in this bag. A cucumber, again, for salad. And then some apples, Gala apples. And that is it for my grocery haul. It's kind of a mess over here. I had to take everything out of my closet because my dad is coming today to fix it. Everything is on my bed and on this clothing rack here because the closet is now empty so that it can be repaired. And then at the same time, I'm also deciding to take down my Christmas tree. I also have some laundry here and listening to Alessia Cara here. And then I have this puzzle that's still on my coffee table that I'm pretty close to finishing, but still not quite. So I wanna hurry up and get this done. Probably today, I hope, or sometime this weekend. But yeah, right now I'm working on taking down my Christmas decorations. My friend Alyssa is gonna stop by, and then my dad is coming, and then I have plans later with my friend Natalie. So today is a day. So I'm just trying to get my Christmas tree kind of wrapped up right now, and then I have to go downstairs and get a cart and then bring it all down. It'll be fun, and I'm sad to put it away, but it's time. It's January 5th. So I recruited some help for the puzzle.
I'm stressed out. Look what she gave me to do. A giant white section.
We could work on this part together.
It's just as bad.
This whole section. I know, the overwhelming parts I have left. But we got some chips and dip.
Maybe we'll finish next year.
Should have taken a video of it when it looked cute, but...
This is reality.
I just got back from the gym and I'm out of breath and sweaty. I'll show you my outfit. I'm just about to make dinner. I'm really hungry. So I'm wearing my new tank top from Forever 21 that I'm doing a haul on, along with this sports bra, which is so cute. It's purple. You can see it from the side here. It like goes down a little bit longer. And it has a really cute crisscross back. Look forward to the haul. And then I'm just wearing black leggings from Adidas and my, what are these? They're Boosts running shoes. I forget the name of them though. And that's what I worked out in today. Today's been a really productive day because I filmed a video, I cleaned, I meal prepped, I went to the gym, and I've made really great progress on my puzzle. Let me show you here. I think I'm able to potentially finish it tonight, but I also want to edit a video tonight, so I don't know where I'm gonna put my time. I've made some serious progress. I finished all of the white. This is so satisfying. And then I did this today too, this piece down here. So I just have this chunk, and it gets easier as you go along because then there's less pieces to choose from. So I feel like I might be able to chip away at this while I eat dinner quite quickly, and I'll update you. I did put my closet back together. I'll show you in a bit. It's still quite a mess because I didn't quite put all my clothes back. I have way too many clothes and I need to declutter, but I feel like that's too big of a job for today, and I have, like I said, a video to edit, so I want to get that looked after. But overall, it's been a good Sunday. Very productive. I'm just munching on some carrots while I prepare my food because I'm always really hungry when I'm cooking. I just finished cooking some chicken and meal prepping my meals for a few lunches of this week. So this is what I'm gonna eat right now. It's a big salad. I put cucumbers and broccoli, like raw broccoli. Here, these containers look smaller, but it's the same portions. I just kind of shoved it in the container, and then when I eat it at work, I'll put it onto a plate so I can actually mix it. It's just in this container for storing, and I have to like squish down the lid. The chicken will go in a separate container, and I'm also cooking some quinoa in my rice cooker. My new rice cooker, which is amazing. So it's just about ready here. I need to stir that, and I cooked the chicken on my grill pan and it was all juicy and wonderful. And then I'm just gonna dress it with some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar, and the chicken I seasoned with olive oil, salt, pepper, a lot of oregano, which I love, and lemon juice. Simple, but that's how I like it. I'm really hungry and I'm excited to eat now. Ta-da! This is the finished meal. It doesn't look too pretty, but there's quinoa, chicken, and everything else mixed in now, and I'm gonna try to finish this puzzle. Putting in the last 2 pieces. Done. Thank goodness. This took way too long. Very satisfying though. I just wanted to update you on my closet situation. So it's back up and fully functional again. So my clothes are now back in my closet. I need to organize all the stuff that's at the bottom, but it looks a lot better and now it's functional. And with that, I'm wrapping up this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed seeing what I was up to this week and look forward to weekly vlogs every week. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Subscribe if you are new so you can stay tuned for the next weekly vlog, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!